Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today, we share with you how to make simple yet yummy garden party treats for your American Girl dolls. We took inspiration for this craft from my Froggy stuff, adapting her paper food ideas to make our own AG treats. Serve your dolls scrumptious lemon tea cakes and classic watercress sandwiches, all made from paper. Then step up and order our generation cupcake to complete the garden party set. So, let's get making! For the lemon tea cake, you will need cardstock or poster board in cream, yellow and craft colours. Cut your paper into strips, then cut the strips into squares. Ours are 2.5 centimetres. Order your squares into 5 piles, cream for the icing, lemon for the cake and craft for the crust. Starting from the bottom, stack and glue your squares. You can use liquid glue or glue stick for this step. Just be sure to cover all the paper generously with your adhesive. Pinch the paper stack as you go to compress all the layers and keep the sides even. Next, mist your cake with water to soften the paper fibres. Using a dotting tool or something similar, scratch and swirl the yellow paper sections to create the fluffy texture of cake. Do the same for the brown crust. Using the rounded handle of the dotting tool, rub it along the cream sections to blend out the harsh paper lines. Repeat these techniques on all 4 sides of the cake. To enhance the top layer of cream paper, we applied Dimensional Magic. You could also use multiple coats of gloss Mod Podge for a similar thick, shiny finish. While the product is still wet, we want to add our toppings. Here we have slices from a lemon polymer clay cane. You could substitute this with yellow fun foam circles. We also added a pink acrylic mini flower to complete the visual triangle. Leave overnight for the Dimensional Magic to completely set and your delicious lemon tea cakes are done. Now let's make sandwich slices. Start with a rectangle and draw a triangle inside it that has curved corners. Cut this out to be your sandwich slice template. Trace the template and cut many more from white, green and cream cardstock or poster board. Like we did with the cake, stack and glue your paper triangles, starting with the white bread pieces, then the green for watercress, cream filling, and finally the second bread slice layers. Next, paint water directly onto the sides of your sandwich to soften the paper. Swirl your dotting tool through the green and cream layers for texture. Following this, smooth out the white paper lines on all sides. For more texture, apply a little water to the top and bottom to help peel away a layer of the paper. If you'd like to copy AG's sandwiches, use your dotting tool to press dots into the surface. Repeat all the steps to make another sandwich slice. Awesome! From just paper, glue and water, the dolls have fancy watercress sandwiches to enjoy. Okay, let's quickly step up an Our Generation cupcake to fit our garden party aesthetic. First, paint the cupcake liner and frosting white. When dry, paint the liner a pretty pastel pink. For decoration, we took some petals from this faux lavender plant. Arrange a trio of the petals on the top of the cupcake with liquid glue or hot glue. This simple step really gives the cupcakes a fancy feel. For extra whimsy, we added little yellow dots to the liner with our dotting tool, then finished by coating the white frosting with gloss Mod Podge for shine. Thanks again for joining us as we turned paper into delicious doll garden party treats. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!